Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use temporary messages on WhatsApp PC. If we are in WhatsApp web, we will see that when we send a multimedia file, an icon with the number 1 appears. By clicking on it, we will activate the temporary message mode with which it can only be seen once. If we want to activate temporary messages in a general way in a chat, within a conversation we click on the top name. Inside here we will see the temporary messages option and we can activate them for as long as we want. After that time, the messages will disappear for all participants. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.